chip cookies, but you need the chocolate chips to make the cookies better. And I'm probably missing some steps, but that's how you make chocolate chip cookies with you. Yeah.
What are we making today?
Making is pecan cookies and you call me hot cookies.
Okay, we're making pecan cookies today. Okay, let's do it.
Cold butter. Yeah.
Cast the sugar. Let me show you the taste.
I'm sure.
Self-raising flour, cake flour, baking powder,
Let me try.
Are you okay? Do you need some water?
Yeah.
One, two. Okay, add 2 more. Bravo. 1, 2. How much is 2 plus 2?
Because 4.
Well done! Three plus 4 is
Because 7.
five plus 4 equals.
9.
The dough looks quite crumbly, but we can form nice cookies. I shall love this cookie dough.
And let me try egg.
You want to try egg? Okay, try that. Yes, please. We're just adding chocolate chip.
Let me try, Mom. Yummy, 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 yum. Yum. What? Chocolates.
JP, do you like?
The chocolate. Not again. No, I bring it again.
Misha and JP?
Thumbs up.
JP, thumbs up. Is that your favorite cookies?
Yeah. This is my favorite. Cruisy Bodie.
It's delicious. Would you like a cup of tea?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, we're gonna make a cup of tea.